Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Manj Gill and I am a wardrobe stylist, and I'm also a crazy shopper. I've always been obsessed with shopping. I love to shop. When I'm not shopping for work, I'm shopping for myself. So I decided to start doing some YouTubes. Well, I started a new YouTube channel a couple months ago just to show you guys my style and the things that I love. And I do have an Instagram. It's at the Big Find. It's my shopping Instagram. So I kind of wanted to give my followers another channel of some of the things that I love to shop for and find, and give them some styling tips as well. You can also find me on my work Instagram, which is at Manj Gill Stylist. So yeah, so this video here is going to be a Zara styling haul. I don't know if you can call it a haul because it is only 4 pieces, but I guess it's a haul because it's more than 2. And it's also some of the best sellers. So these were, it's not sale yet. Zara sale starts on usually end of May, beginning of June. I'm not sure how it's going to go this year because of the pandemic, but generally that's when the sale starts. And in years past, Zara would never mark anything down, other than maybe bits and pieces, and then they would, once it hit sale, like the entire store would be on sale. I found that over the last couple of seasons they're starting to do things a little differently, and they are starting to do some mid-season sales, which they call special prices. So all of these things here were special prices, and now I've also noticed that there is certain parts of the store which are not on sale. So yeah, I liked it better when the whole store would be on sale, but because last season there was a couple of things that I wanted to buy and they did not go on sale. So normally you would get it within 5 days, or you could opt for next day delivery, which was awesome, especially when for us that work in film and TV, it was great to get your order within the next day. But because of the pandemic, it is taking a lot longer, which is fine. So it did take about 3 weeks, I would say, 3 weeks to almost a month by the time I got my pieces. And on top of that, they are also extending the return. So normally it's a 30-day return. Like, that's it. Like, you get nothing, no gifts, like no gift cards, like nothing. Like if it's past 30 days, you get $0 for it. But now they are doing a 30-day extension from the time that the stores will open. So that's like, you get to keep your items for a really long time. So if you had bought something and then it hits sale, you get a chance of maybe getting it again. So a lot of inventory probably will pop up again because of the returns. I'm not sure how online returns work, but for me, I always do my returns in store, so I'm not exactly sure how that works. But it's a great opportunity to be able to hold on to some things and then return them. The other thing is, I think it's going to be pretty crazy once the stores open up, because people are holding on to their items. So I think the lineups, I'm pretty sure they'll be doing social distancing. So be prepared to wait an awfully long time to get your returns done. So it's good. It's a huge process. So if you're not sure about stuff, I wouldn't buy it because the return is going to be pretty crazy. Anyway, so let's get on to our haul here. So the first thing I bought is this dress. I absolutely love this dress. This dress is so me. It looks really like it could be passed off as a designer piece, to be honest. It's great. Like for me, I've gained a little bit of weight, and for all of those of us who have gained in quarantine, this dress is really flattering because it cinches up at the waist and it's got these drawstrings on the side. So it'll give you a flattering shape here, and then it's just really comfortable. It's even got the drawstrings over here. This dress was originally $99.90. I got it on sale for $45.99. This is a size small, and I would say stick to your size. Don't size up unless you like to size up. This one I would say pretty much fits true to size. I have nothing bad to say about this dress, to be honest. I just think, oops, except that it's got lint all over it. It's definitely a flattering shape. The price is really good. I would love it if it dropped even further, to be honest, but $45.99, you cannot go wrong with this dress. So again, this is a size small, and in my styling cutaway, you can see how I've styled it. I would definitely pair this with, I could probably do this bag. I think it would look cute with this bag. This bag is from STAUD, and it's a basic bag, so they always have it in style or in stock. But yeah, I think that would look super chic, really cute, and I could pair it with this bag, this dress, and sticking with the iridescence, I could probably do these shoes. I think that would be a cute little outfit. If I wanted to change things up, I could probably get rid of this bag here, and I could style it up with a pop of color. So I could probably do these red shoes. These again are Zara from last season, but it adds a nice pop of color. And then maybe style it up with, I could do it with the Chloe bag over here. And give it a nice little crossbody. I think that would be really cute as well. Just a nice little crossbody bag. To give it a little bit more of an elevated look, maybe. Just so it's definitely a versatile dress because it's such a basic. It's basic blue. Definitely think you can't go wrong with this dress. So I would highly recommend this if it's something that you're thinking about. The next dress that I absolutely love, which is definitely my style, and it's something that I would say it's kind of like a classic for Zara. They kind of do something similar to this each season. So really pretty. This dress here was regularly $79.90. I'm just gonna check my order because I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was $45. No, it was $39.99. So this is the long print dress. So half off. So $79.90 for $39.99. I just love this dress. I think it fits really nice. It's very flattering. I love the elastic on the sleeve. Yeah, I have nothing negative to say about this dress. You can wear this on vacation, I would say, with just you know, like a flat sandal, maybe a slide, or you could wear it with a little bit more dressed up. I think I would wear this with, well, for me it's really long, I'm gonna say that. I am 5'2", and this dress hits me like a maxi dress, so I think if you're taller, you will see your shoe a little bit more. Normally, the models for Zara are about 5'10", 5'9", 5'10". They're really tall, so it doesn't. And they usually will tell you the size of the model, so you can gauge how long it's going to be on you. So, yeah, I think it's really cute. Again, I could style this up with this bag. I think it'd be kind of cute to wear. Just for every day. And then I could probably do, if I wanted to give it a little bit of height, I could do the iridescent sandal, or I could just wear, I have these Valentino lace-ups. I think it would look really cute with those as well. Or I have these Celadon lace-up boots, which I think would look, it would definitely elevate it and kind of give it off a little bit of a Chloe vibe with my Celadon boot. I think it would look really cute. But you could style it, like I said, you know, with a little slide for the summertime. It's an easy dress to just throw on and just wear when you're going out, but you can also dress it up, you know, with a nice dressy bag and a nice little heel. So it's definitely, I would definitely recommend this dress as well. So the next thing that I have is this dress, and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't my favorite of all the pieces that I bought. This size here, oh, so this dress here was a size small, and I would say stick to your size, because it's very roomy and it fits pretty big. So you could do a size, like I wouldn't size up or size down, just stick to your true size. So this dress here, I didn't love it. It's not one of my favorites out of all the pieces. I love the whole thing with the sleeves. I think, you know, that's a hot trend right now. It's all about voluminous sleeves, big shoulders, and I'm all for that. I just find that, first of all, I hate these buttons. They're so hard to do, especially by yourself. And the top button is just so difficult to do by yourself. So I'm not a fan of that. And then this material, it's so wrinkly. As you can see, I steamed this out and it still has so much wrinkles in it. I don't think it will wash well, because when you wash it, it'll be so hard to get those wrinkles out. You could dry clean it, but are you really going to dry clean a Zara dress that you paid so little for? So this dress here, it was originally, I don't know what the original retail was, sorry. So this was originally, again, $79.90, and it was on special price for $39.99. I think if this went down to around $15.99, I would 100% buy it. When that's usually like the final price point for dresses. But I don't think I would buy it for $40. But I mean, it is pretty. It's got all this like little eyelet detailing in it. You know, the buttons. It's super cute, but it's just, there's too many negatives, and there's so many other things that I would rather spend my money on. Now with this, you could opt for doing this cute little bag. It just gives it such a summer vibe. Again, this bag is stowed. And then I would probably give it I think it would look really cute with this little sandal as well. These are Valentinos, but I think it would look really cute. You could do it with a lace up. If you wanted to change it up, you could even do it with like the see-through iridescence. These are Zara from last season. And then, yeah, I think it would be really cute. And you can also see it in the cutaway how I've styled it. But, yeah, I think it's cute, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Of all the pieces here, I think it's my least favorite. Okay, so, and then the only thing that I bought that was a top is this one here. I love this. I think it's super cute. It's totally on trend. I love the ruffles on it. The ruffles are super cute. The only thing is that it fits a little short. So if you're really long in the torso, it might be a little awkward for you. I would say size up. I mean, well, this is a medium, so, and I generally wear a small to medium in Zara, but I just found that there wasn't enough room from here to here, and I am very short-waisted, so that might be an issue. And if your chest is a little bit bigger, it also kind of it pulls a little bit there. And I love like the elastic waist. Other than that, I just think it's so cute, and it was so cheap. It was only $24.99, so it's definitely a good one. I would say if you were thinking about it, to get it, but just make note of those things there. And it's just an easy piece to throw on because it's just got an elastic waist as well. And again, you can style this with a pair of jeans. You know, you could dress it up with a heel, or you could dress it down with a flat or a slide, and just throw in any purse that you think is super cute. You can even do one of those. Zara has a bunch of wicker baskets and what do you call that? Anyway, they have like these super cute wicker bags that would really give off that like kind of vacation vibe. But yeah, so these are all of my pieces here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Zara haul. I do have an H&M haul coming up, but again, H&M is taking a while to arrive. And yeah, I will link all these pieces down below. If you have any questions or comments, just hit them up below and I will answer them. So I hope you will subscribe, and I hope you will watch my next video. And yeah, if there's anything else you want to see, just let me know. I can definitely, you know, these videos, I make them for you guys. So if there's something that I'm like missing or that you want to see, you know, just hit me up. If there's any Zara pieces that you guys are interested in and wanted to see a haul of, you know, just let me know as well. Send me a message and I can do like a review or a try on of that. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And you can follow me on Instagram at The Big Find, or you can follow my work Instagram, which is at Beige Stylist. And thanks for watching. Bye.